You all in today's lecture of Web Design Lab, course code BCA 307. My name is Gulbir Singh, Assistant Professor, MMICT NBM, MM, deemed to be University. So, today we are going to discuss the practical number 5, which is we need to write the HTML code using nested list. It means that we already discussed how to create list in HTML, and now today we are going to discuss how to create nested list. So, what are nested list? So, we can say a list within a list. So, we can take an example like, so we are going to create a list of edible items like milk, coffee and bread. Now, we can call this as a list. Now, when we subdivide the coffee to black coffee and white coffee, so it will become nested to coffee, and for bread brown and white. So, in this way we can say that this is a nested sequence, and how we can do this in HTML. So, let us see the procedure, and after discussing the procedure we are going to follow these steps for doing this one. So, step number 1 here is the we need to create first, or we need to open Notepad which is already installed in your machines, or we can open any editor. So, we are using here the editor Notepad plus plus for doing the coding. So, next step is the step number 2. In this step we need to add the core element of HTML. So, we already know this, that the core element are HTML tag, the head tag, the title tag and the body tag. So, we need to add these one. After that we need to write the code using the nested list. So, this is the step number 3, we need to write the code using nested list. So, for that one, in step number 4 we need to add a unordered list, right, because we are doing this using the unordered list. So, within this we need to create a list of Li with the name of the coffee, right, and second one we need to create another list, another we can say row with the name of tea. So, we have used here Li for creating the rows. So, first row is the coffee by using first Li, and second Li is the tea. Now, we need to divide this tea into two parts, two portion. First one is the black tea and second one is the green tea. So, for creating the nested list within this tea list, we need to use the unordered, again a unordered list. So, we can create a UL tag here. Within that we need, within the Li we can write black tea and green tea. So, after this we need to close the unordered list, then we need to close the Li list which we have created for the tea, and next Li we will create for milk, and then we need to close the whole unordered list. Then we need to close all the elementary tags or code tags which we have already opened, and after this we need to save and run this program. So, after running we can see that this would be the your output. So, we have written here in the heading that a nested list, and after that we have written here a paragraph, the nested list can be shown like this: coffee, tea, and tea should be divided into two parts. This is the nested form, black tea and green tea, and after that milk. So, now let us see how to do this practical. So, I am moving towards the editor. This is my editor which is Notepad plus plus, and now start with the elementary tags. So, we already know this elementary tag is the HTML tag followed by the head tag. After this we are going to write the title. So, in the title we are going to write what actually we are doing here. So, we are doing here that practical for nested list. After this we are going to close this list, right, sorry, not list, we need to close this title. Now, after title we are going to close this head. So, the head is closed now. Now, after this we are going to open the body of the HTML, right. So, within the body we are going to write some headings, write some paragraph. So, we will write a heading which H2, I am using the second level heading which is named as starting by using the tag H2. So, within this we are going to write a nested list example. Now, we will close this H2. After this we are going to write a paragraph. Lists can be nested list inside a list. So, after this we will close this paragraph. Now, we will start with the unordered, as we have discussed in the steps or in the procedure, that we will start first with the unordered list. So, within unordered we will create some, we can say, rows by using li. So, first li we have created here for coffee, right, and we will close this li here, or we can create here the nested list also. So, for that we are going to create a UL here, unordered list again. Within this we are going to write coffee should be cold and hot. So, we will write here cold coffee, and we close this UL, and we need to create here the LI. So, we will write within the LI. So, in this LI we will write here cold coffee, and then again one LI for hot coffee. So, this is the nested. So, these are the, we can say this is the nested within coffee, it will appear between the coffee tag. Now, we will close this unordered list here, unordered list is closed. Now, we can start creating another li for, we can say, T. So, again T we can subdivide this T into two portions. So, for that we need to create a UL, and then we need to create some LIs here, like what should be the tea. So, we can say black tea and slash LI, and it should be one LI for green tea. And we can create one more for milk tea also. Now, after this we can create close this UL, and after closing we can add here one LI for milk, and we can milk can be subdivided into two categories. So, for that division we need to add here a UL. Within this UL we will write here again one LI for cow milk and again one Li for goat milk, we can write. Right, so we can add buffalo milk also depending upon your on your requirement. So after this we will close this UL slash UL. So this would be closed, and then we need to close the final UL which we have opened. Now we will close the body, and same we will close the HTML. Right. So this is the program for creating the nested. Now we are going to save it for practical -5 name, and we need to provide here the extension. So we have used it as HTML. So saved it. Now we will check that we have already closed the all open tag. For that, click on the tag one by one. So let's check. HTML is closed. Head. Now check on head. Head is closed. Title is closed. Right. Body tag is closed. H2 closed. Paragraph we have closed. UL. Yes, this UL is closed. Oh yes, you can see this li is not closed, right. So we need to close this li also. So you can see. So this is the, you can say here we can need to close this li also. So this is the benefit of editor. So we can understand that we need to which tags are not closed. So this will tell us that we have closed properly all the tags or not. So same for, we'll check for milk. You can see here that this li is not closed. So after this ul it will be li. So in this way we can debug also our program, and now let's see the output, right. So for this let's move towards the practical where we have saved it, practical number 5, and this is the code. So you can see here that we have named this as a practical for nested list. This is the your, you can say, heading. We have put it under the head, under the title. So title should be viewed on this space. Now we have used a H2 heading. So H2 heading should be this size. This is the standard size which is given to all the heading like H1, H2 till H6. So H1 is the larger one, and H6 is the smallest one. After this we have written a paragraph which will this, and now we have created 3 major categories. You can see here that coffee, tea and milk, and within this coffee we have created 2 more like cold coffee, hot coffee, tea, we have black, green, and milk tea, cow and goat milk. So these are the, we can say there is a typing mistake in black. So you can change, you can update this. So let's update this word also. So there is a typo mistake. So this is the actually black, and you can create one more, right. You can create one more, we can say for bread. You can add li here. So you can add li, right. You can write here bread. Within this we can create one ul. Within this ul we are going to write one li for brown bread slash li, and then one more li for white bread. Now after this we need to close this ul first, right. So here we need to write slash ul, and then need to close this li, this li. So, we will write here /li. Now, all the tags are closed. Now, save it and then refresh it. You can see here a new nested list is added to the our existing list, which is bread, brown bread and white bread. So, in this way you can create your own nested list by using these tags. So, what we have done actually, we have created a first one a column which is named as li, and within this li we have created a unordered list. So, basically this whole list is a unordered list, and within this unordered list we have created one more unordered list. So, these in this sequence these unordered lists are nested to each one. So, thanks for joining this video.